Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is September 6th. Looking at the Nifty after a huge rally here in the last couple of months. Um, Notice we're keeping the trend line as the Kijun. Even last week we still are holding the Kijun support, but we do have a gap down which is going to provide resistance at this point. I would be very cautious on holding long positions here unless we can get a close back above the Kijun. Probably act long positions if they can break out over new highs. But until then, be very careful and have your stops in place. We do have a strong Kumo. It is a trending Kumo, but it is very thick, so that should provide plenty of support. But I would be at this time at least. It does look like there could be consolidation unless the bulls can prove that they are still in control by closing this gap and closing back over the TJ over the Tenkan. Let's see. Few stocks here. Reliance Industries. Um, Nice bullish stock. We are above the Kumo, and notice that the Chicago is now in a congestion area. I would definitely keep this on the watch list and watch for a Chicago breakout. Might have some more consolidation days, but and even if they come down, they might be able to use the support from the Kumo and then start going back up. But I would keep this on a bullish list at this point and wait to see if they do a Chicago breakout for the next leg up. Um, Somebody asked about Mastec, so it does look like a good bullish stock. Nice to get it back down here. Again, now this one looks like it could face consolidation. It's coming pretty close to the candles, Chicago, and if they do bump into these candles, you'll have some congestion. Watch for the next Chicago breakout, is all I can say. Would I buy it here? No. I would want to at least keep a stop above the highs of these candles. That way, I know that you're going to turn these support levels up. Hindustan Liver, I would not want to trade in this stock at this point. Notice your Kumo is going back and forth between bullish, bearish, and now the Chicago is inside the cloud also. And if they can break down through here, there's a good chance they could come down to test these levels around the last support of around 2015, 2060. If you want to play that kind of short range, might be able to do it. But again, just looking at the alternating nature of the Kumo, it's just not a good stock to play. This one is Reliance Capital. Somebody asked on this one. If you look at the daily chart, it's really not a good chart. You have limit up, and it's below the Kumo here. Now, those who are really aggressive players might think of buying it here and using a stop just below the weekly Kijun to see if that works out. But again, it's a very high risk trade. You're going opposite the trend. Uh, it's just that you're so close to support that if they close it below this Kijun, you should get out. So again, not for everybody. Alembic Limited looks like a bullish stock. I would wait for some consolidation here. Might be a few days, and then you can see if it does a Chicago breakout. But yeah, this one you can keep on the watch list. Somebody asked on Mark Sense. At this point, I would not if you are holding it. It did do a few nice Chicago breakouts going up, so this might do another one. But at least right now, it's too far to do a Chicago breakout. This one will consolidate a little bit. But you can keep it on the watch list, but it's definitely not going to be ready very soon yet. And ICICI Bank, nothing there yet. This is the weekly chart of ICICI Bank. Notice that you're still in the Kumo and heading down. You're going to bump into these candles. Nothing there yet, even though the Kumo here, looking at the shape of the Kumo, it's like a very thin Kumo. They could break it, but I would rather wait for that breakout until before buying. HDFC Bank also nothing there yet. Shika is in a congestion area. Stock inside the Kumo. I would avoid this at this point. And looking at the last one, Granules. This one is a very bullish stock. I would not be afraid to buy this one on strength. Um, Using the Kijun as a stop. Very nice stock chart here. That will be it.